Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Krystal, and today I'm going to hit you with another hair tutorial. It's going to be fairly easy. All of my hair tutorials are probably going to be easy because let's be honest, I'm a mom of two. I don't have all day to fix my hair. I just don't. We got to go with what we can do in a short amount of time. So, first thing we're going to do, get the hair down. Okay, starting with that. Then you need some sort of something to hold your hair, whether it be a little elastic, a ponytail holder, a scrunchie, anything like that. And then again, we're gonna have our trusty, this has got hair all in it. Y'all, that's disgusting. How dare y'all? Let me, you know what it is, it's hard to clean these out. You know, this real life. Okay, we're gonna have this. All right, so this is going to be a half up, half down situation. We're going to just start by gathering the hair. Also, if you can see my romper tied around my waist, no you can't. No you didn't. You did not. Because, let's be honest, who in their right mind that's on YouTube, that's filming a YouTube video, cares about what you look like from the waist down? Because nobody can see that typically. All right, so this is what we've got. Now we're going to smooth, okay? We're going to start smoothing. Make sure you keep what you don't want in the elastic out. We're going to smooth it. Smooth it. There we go. We got it nice and smooth. Now, if you are someone that really wants it slicked back, you can use hair gel. You can get your hair a little damp. You can use hairspray. For the simple fact that I washed my hair yesterday or the day before, my hair is super clean. I do not want to put a bunch of hair gel and stuff in it because I don't want to have to wash it tonight. So I'm not going to do that. And we're just going to take this elastic and we're going to wrap it around. You wrap it around as many times as you want. I think I did like 3. And I like my half ups. I like to have like, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? Now, if you want to, you can take some hair from the back and you can wrap it around, okay? Wrap it around, and then you're going to leave a little tail. You're going to need a bobby pin, and you're just going to bobby pin that little tail down, like so. Now, if you're someone that would like these pieces to be down, go ahead and take those down. Honestly, these pieces are going to come down on me anyways. It does not matter. I could probably cement these things up and they're still going to be hanging down by the end of the day. Now, there's a couple of things you can do with the bottom part. You can take your straightener and you can flip it out. This didn't flip it out, by the way. You can do a little flip out like this, okay? Super cute. You can do that on both sides. See, it didn't flip it out. I just made it look like it did. You can just leave it alone like this, which is kind of what I like. I do like to take my straightener and just hit the little pieces at my ears, and that is it. That is it, guys. Look how cute it is. And when you wrap your hair around the elastic, and that's a good thing though, if you wrap your hair around, I suggest if you do use a ponytail holder of any sort, you wrap your hair around it just so you can conceal it. And honestly, it takes the look from I had no time and I just threw it up to, oh, look at that, it's sophisticated and she took a lot of time. I don't know what it is about concealing your elastic ponytail holder or whatever, but super duper cute, super easy. That's it. That's it, guys. You can use gel. You can use hairspray. Like I said, I'm not going to, just for the simple fact that I don't want to get my hair dirty. And probably just going to take my hair down after this anyways. So, I hope you enjoyed. Okay? I love you guys, and I will catch you next week. Bye.